Alright guys, here comes a Gauze Garage special. Friend of mine, this is he and his dad's car, and they got it 30 years ago and parked it in a climate controlled warehouse. They ran it like 15 years ago, but anyway, it's here to be gone through. Complete fuel system, brake system, everything to get it up and running. And you almost never see these cars in factory original condition like it is. It was just parked 30 years ago, all original, 58 Impala 348 4-barrel. And I know it looks kind of dilapidated, but it's just been, uncovered, sitting in the warehouse for 30 years. Lots of patina, but actually very straight car. And another friend of mine who's an auction specialist was telling me, he said he's seen hundreds of these go through the auctions. He's never seen them, very, very few that are like this. All original condition. Basically you would consider it a barn find. And the car came with this tri-power. It's not a tri-power car, but it came with it. And it's debatable whether it's going to go onto the car in the final thing to make it running. That's what they want. We can certainly accommodate, but you're going to have to find a lot of linkage for that. And 58 tri-power linkage, I'm sure it's out there. I know they make it. But the car is amazingly rust-free. It's got a couple spots like over in the trunk and whatnot, but look at this. This thing came out new, out of the showroom. Gorgeous in this coral. It's a there's three groups of red for the 58 Impala, and this one is the salmon color, or what they call coral red. And you can see the primers coming up through there. But yes, a very, very intact car that actually ran 15 years ago. And there's your original 348. Got the original Hanson radiator. And you got the original generator and power steering hooked on the back. That's a huge deal for these cars. When they're automatic with power steering, that's a very, very big deal. So there you have the old power brake unit. We're going to see if that can be revived, or we're just going to do a modern one for safety and reliability. I'll have to look that up. Trim is 855, paint is 923. Yeah. Big block power, clamshell heads, and yeah, just a cool old car. Once it gets running and operating with brakes and fuel and is dependable, the power steering, etc., etc., I'm not sure what the owners are going to do with this, whether they're going to take it all the way, or if they're just going to maybe just do the interior and leave the outside patina on it. Not sure. It's up to them. But I know there's certain people that very much like cars like this in its original condition. So we're going to try to maintain everything, even the patina on the car. So there you have it, Impala fans. All original. Stock as parked 30 years ago in climate-controlled storage. Patina aplenty, yes. And see what we got for mileage here. 60,486. There it is. Thanks for tuning in. This is Gauze Garage. Hopefully the next video you see, will it be running and driving.